Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of organizing, which is honestly one of my favorite activities. I've been wanting to sort of organize this drawer set that I bought from IKEA for a long time now and just haven't gotten around to it. So I thought I would do it today with you guys, and it's just really a place where I can sort all of my makeup and sort of all of my new skincare and everything that I receive from PR boxes, and that way I can keep track of what I still need to use in a video, if there are new products that I really want to use, and just have something that makes it a little bit easier to actually see what I have in my collection. So the first step is always just sorting what you actually have, and I found that I had a ton of products that I left in the packaging, which is silly because I don't need that, so I kind of got rid of all of the packaging and sorted it into categories. And then I just went around the house and I looked for little boxes or something that I could actually put in the drawer so products wouldn't slide around. And I found these old Birch boxes, which I swear I have used a million different ways. So when everyone makes fun of me for not throwing away packaging, let me just tell you that it comes in handy sometimes. And I had thought that I was going to get plastic containers for it, and maybe I still will eventually, or some sort of like more sturdy organization. But for now, this works totally fine. And I had these plastic tubs, which I thought I was going to use, but they didn't quite fit, and they took up so much of the drawer if I put products in there laying down, so I just felt like it wasn't going to work. But again, I really didn't want things to slide around, so then I realized that I had a million boxes that I've kept, and so I thought I would just use sort of the top half and the bottom half of a box to create more organization, and I ended up putting like sort of hair care products in here since they're a little bit bigger, and this sort of became like my hair care and body drawer. And then I put all of my skincare actually in the top, and it ended up working out kind of cool because the top has sort of these like flaps that you can pull down, so I can make it bigger or smaller depending on how many samples that I have. And I'll show you guys specifically like what I put in the drawers once I'm done sort of doing this little sped up overview. So I put in these little labels, so the first drawer is going to be my base products, and I'm sort of counting like my everyday makeup in that. So I wanted to keep my everyday makeup in a way that's really easy for me to just pull out, and that's why I have it in this little pouch, because then I can just pull it out, use it on my vanity, and then just like put it away when I'm done. But if you look towards the back, I have sort of like this little wrap, which is good for if I'm doing a full face of makeup. And then if I take this out, and I can kind of slide these two boxes forward and shift things around, so if I'm using different makeup than my everyday makeup, I can just stick it back there. And then I sort of have like base products and then concealers in this drawer. The second drawer is my face and eyes. So again, I just use those little boxes, and I have sort of like my larger palettes on the side. So these are my larger eye palettes, which correspond with this box, which has all of my eye products in here. And then these are all my face products, and my larger face palettes go here. And there's still room towards the back, but I just wanted to make sure that everything was like visible, so I'm keeping everything up front. And for now, this one just has lip products in it, so I have sort of like my lipsticks and things that fit in this little acrylic container, and then things that don't fit, so like the odd lipstick out here, lip glosses, a lip crayon, the Carigrande lip products that I love, and then this new vapor product that I just got, and then also this Honest Beauty one, which I've sort of replaced with the Carigrande Naked Cinnamon Lip Oil. The next two drawers are just labeled new because I never know what products are going to be coming in or like what I'm going to want to review. So I didn't want to like specifically label them because there might be more makeup sometimes, more skincare other times, and all that. But this has makeup in the front, and then there's like this little cardboard pouch that's just half of a box really, that has all of my new skincare items that I want to try and review for you guys. And then the final drawer is, right now, it's hair care, and then this is just like the bottom half of the box, and actually in the very back you can just see poking out I had like a large body product back here that I want to review and stuff like that. And the bottom drawer is just empty right now because I still need to figure out what I'm gonna do with like brushes and stuff like that, so there might be some moving around. So this might just be part one because I have these drawers sort of figured out, but I still have a few things that I might be moving around a little bit. And then I have all of my jewelry over here, which I don't know if I want to keep like that or if I want to put them in the acrylic drawers that I was using before for makeup and sort of store them in that little like cubby area that I'm pointing to. So this might be like part one of a vanity tour, but if these sort of like organization videos interest you, let me know in the comments down below and I can definitely keep you guys updated with whatever I end up doing with this vanity. This is also like pretty much all from IKEA, so just FYI.